nhau, đừng xé áo nhau, đừng quay clip nhau, đừng tung lên mạng, đừng làm xấu hổ nhau. Hãy ngồi xuống đây ăn bánh uống nước, rồi ta sẽ hòa nhau. Mọi chuyện sẽ được giải quyết, mọi hận thù trong lòng tan mau.
Cat logic. Every high five is a good high five, even with legs. Corgi's pre-jump ritual. A small moonwalk. You're getting some rest, but your friend still hypes up.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming.
I bet Cat's been trying to get those fries for 10 minutes. When you try to embrace nature, nature gives you a swim lesson instead.
Ooh, this is nice! Girl! This all this is you right here? Okay. They don't smell.
This yogurt isn't going to lick itself, so he's got to do it. Who needs a fitness tracker when your dog's got the step count covered? This head massage is 100% worth the subscription fee. Keep going, human. A royal handshake? No, darling. It's a royal paw shake. Dog. I'd rather take a soft plushie on a walk. Who's with me? Alright, teamwork, but I'll get the last pizza. The litter box is a cat's personal snow globe. Of course he'll make it snow. When the food doesn't match the vibe and the attitude hits full mode. Little me whenever Mum scolded me for a tiny bit.
Cái gì vậy bà nội?
Meet the office manager. He's ensured everyone's stressed while he dreams of world domination. Cat's new business venture, crib real estate, no vaccine for humans. Kitty's got a plan, and it involves 0% compromise and 100% pause. The only thing harder than being a king is making sure your neck doesn't cramp. Couldn't hold in the laughs? Us neither. Like and subscribe for more hilarious animal moments. See you!